Hello everyone, this is a video on how to create a Squidoo page. This is Connor from Summit Local Search and Summit Design Studio. So if you can, you want to go ahead and create an account by signing up at Squidoo. It's going to take you through a pretty standard process of filling out some information, and then once you're able to sign in, you'll get into your Squidoo account where you can set up your profile. And this is a good place to fill out all of your photos, kind of like you would on Google Places or other different sites. Put all the info about you. So then you really get down to creating what's called a Squidoo lens. A Squidoo lens is a fancy name for a web page that is on Squidoo's website. So for example, I'm going to make a page called Lewisburg Accountant. So I'm going to actually show you this page that I built with a title, some text, a nice little picture I put in there, some testimonials, useful links, and some other items. So let me back up. I just showed you the end product. So I'm going to make a new one called, well, let's go to this one I haven't finished. Lewisburg Web Design. This is a very geo-targeted key phrase specific for Lewisburg and the word web design. So if I wanted to, I could also add in 800 277, I can't even remember my own 800 number, and put that in there, and then it's going to have you add sections. So this is a title that you can add. So you're going to go here and edit this, put in info, description. So this could be like Lewisburg Web Design or Great Web Designer, and some text as well as a photo. So if I'm focusing on the key phrase Lewisburg Web Design, that's already here, and it's going to be, as you can see, in the URL or the page name of the website. So eventually this will be called squidoo.com/Lewisburg Web Design. So the keyword is in the phrase of the actual URL of the page. It's in the title, and we might do something like Summit Design Studio LLC. Let's put builds standards compliant websites, or I could say market manages SEO campaigns for small businesses. And then I could put some text about that in here that might also use the word Lewisburg Web Design, if I could spell. And if I want to, I can bold this word, so it'll show up in bold by putting strong in brackets around it. Or I could make it a hyperlink by putting in some code here. href equals, and this will be the web address, studio.com Lewisburg Web Design, and then I put an end here. So you can see you put in a bracket, a space, href equals the address you want this to go to. This is the phrase that'll get hyperlinked, which is on the other side of that bracket, and then a closing bracket. This will make Lewisburg Web Design a hyperlink to summitdesignstudio.com. And I made one mistake. You want http:// I'll put the full address in there. So now I'm not going to upload a photo, but I can save this. We will see that this is going to link. So here's an inbound link that I created from Squidoo, a great site with great page rank, into my website. It's nice to have good anchor text like this. This is the key phrase that I care about. So I can add other modules, like you can put in a guest book where people can fill stuff out. You can put a linked list in if you want to. That's just a list of links. You could put a poll in if you wanted people to fill out a poll. You can embed video. This is the real popular one, is photos and videos, where you can add that, and then all it wants you to do in your video module, and you can reorganize these modules depending on how you want the page to lay out. You go here, you give it a name, and you can just give a description, and you paste in your YouTube link. So this is the link directly to your YouTube video. Okay?